Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again. I will talk now about a service in InnovBase that does the automation operations, which is available in the golden and platinum editions of InnovBase, which is approval processing through emails. These approvals are made through this automation service. This service has other purposes of operations too. We will learn more about them soon. Please watch the following. Automation service in InnovBase works on the server around the clock and has a log that can be viewed to display all events starting the service, stopping the service, and completed tasks performed. What does the automation service do? First, send alerts through emails, for example alerting about expired passports in HR module or invoice due date in the financial accounting module or delivering CRM tickets. Second, escalating and transferring requests, for example transferring a request to a department supervisor if the assigned employee does not fulfill the request during a certain period of time. Third, completion tasks written in on-server events, for example performing backup operations of the database or creating automatic depreciation or periodic bank GL transactions in the financial accounting module. 4. Follow up on workflow and approval system. 5th, approval requests and receipts by emails, where the service has text analyzer that understands replies on the approval requests. This automation service requires special setup inside InnovBase before installing it on the server. In InnovBase, go to System menu, select Configuration, from Email tab, set up the service. Here, type email address designated for workflow. This email address should not be used for any other communication purposes because it is designated for InnovBase use only. Set up the following setting the same way Outlook is set up based on the Internet Service Provider ISP protocols. POP3 is used for incoming emails and SMTP for outgoing emails. Here we type the name of the incoming and outgoing servers, then the username and password. If the SMTP outgoing server requires logging in, then type the username and password after you check this checkbox. Here, type the incoming POP3 server port number. Click this checkbox if this server requires encrypted connections SSL. And here the outgoing SMTP server port number. Also check this checkbox to use encrypted connection SSL. After that, we set the time interval to send and receive messages. Here 5 minutes. In the signature edit control, you can write a signature in HTML format which will be stamped at the end of the outgoing email messages or can be left blank. Finally, if your policy is to prevent approving or denying through the email mechanism, you can force users to log in to InnovBase to perform the approvals. Then you need to check this checkbox and provide InnovBase link to launch it on your server. Server name, InnovBase execution file path name. Now, after we completed the automation service setup, open VisualSoft site. From download, select products, select automation service, After we downloaded the file from this site, unzip it, click setup and follow the steps. After the service is installed, launch it from the Windows Start menu to link it with the desired database. Before that, we select properties and select launching this service, run as administrator. Then launch it. Select the server, type the password, select the database, click register. With this, the automation service has been set up. We only need to start it from the services list. Start. You can always contact me by email if you have any questions, and I will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.